Jiangsu LiangDi Tech Corporation, established in 1994, is a high-tech enterprise specialized in infrared patio heaters and infrared heating lamps. LiangDi products are available in a wide variety of models and sizes, used for both commercial and domestic purposes. We are located in Changzhou, with convenient transportation access. With 29 years' history in infrared heating industry, LiangDi holds a lot of patents and has the ability to provide flexible, customized, and complex solutions to our partners. Our products are CE, GS, RoHS, ETL certified, and the factory is ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 and BSCI audited. LiangDi team is dedicated to strict quality control and professional technical support to ensure stable quality of products, along with speedy delivery, competitive pricing, and continuous innovation make our company to establish long-term business relationships with the customers and partners from Europe, North and South America, Southeast Asia, and Oceania markets. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders so as to fulfill customers' specific requirements. Our ultimate goal is customer satisfaction. Whether selecting a current product or seeking engineering assistance, you can talk to us. We will assist you to select the right product for your application. Look forward to working with you more closely in the near future.